How's it going, humans? How's your mom and them? Merry Christmas, happy holidays, whatever you celebrate. I hope it's a good one. I am heading to a little get-together, and it is cold as shit. These mountain roads, ruthless. I hate it. But the scenery's nice, and so are the twisties, so it balances out. Like, look at that. That's gorgeous. That's God's country right there. Woo. Woo, fuck. Ooh, that's a nice lean. Another one. Whee! It was supposed to rain today, and then the rain decided against it because I threatened it. No, it's not as sharp as it looks. Woo! This is such a fun road. Oh my god. This one is. Woo! yeah, no, shit, man. This is gonna go up probably in a few days, Saturday. I'll have it edited and scheduled tomorrow, but, you know, it be like that. Ooh. I about reached the end of them tires, man. I got a little spirited. This ain't no fucking rocket. We're almost to the bottom. The twisties do not end for quite some time. These roads are not very well maintained. But that's part of the fun. That's part of the draw. And now I'll finally be back in the sun, so I won't be suffering. Yeah. Keeps jolting back towards me. I'm gonna have to put some Loctite on that Allen key. Because I got it snug to Kingdom Come, but every time I hit a bump, boing, right back out. Might need a different fitting. I don't know. I'll fuck with them when I get there. It's not a big deal. I didn't wear my heated vest like an idiot, so this is entirely my fault that this sucks this bad. And here's that little highway. Scenic view of the railway. Man, I've been basically the only one on these roads. Riding through the city was wild. It felt like riding through like 28 days later or some shit. It was great. I've had a blast this morning. Hopefully it'll warm up a bit by the time I gotta head back, because I'm gonna just hit the interstate. I don't care. Like, they can go around. I'm gonna be in the right lane. It doesn't matter. It doesn't. It does not matter. Ooh, the sun is good, buddy. The sun is good. Both of them. You see that? Somebody tagged up both of them underneath the bridge there. Both of them. Both of them what? Both them nuts. Both them titties. It's whatever. They do tours of that cave over there. There's bats and shit up in it. That's pretty cool. Not right now though. It's colder than hell in there on the water. And the bats are eepy. The missile is eepy.
The missile is very tired. He is eepy.
I have no idea what this is going to sound like, because I just kind of haphazardly rigged it up without a chin curtain. It might sound like hammered shit, but we'll find out soon enough. Oh shit, oh shit, oh shit, oh shit. Yep, that was definitely a 30-mile-an-hour turn. Oh shit, I'm having fun today, y'all. Can you tell? See, that right there, this shit, like, I like to think that I just have like a Gen Am thing going on, but then I listen back to my videos and I sound like I fucking swallowed a hay bale. Woo! I'm going way too fast. They will pull me the fuck over in New Hope. Ah, that's right. There's a shrine up here, and that thing looks weird as hell. Y'all want to see it? This the shrine road? This looks like the shrine road. This may not be the shrine road. I'm just gonna keep it a buck. Look, I got good U-turns. I do not trust them on a road this narrow. I ain't that good. This is one of them, you better hope nobody's coming up it or you'll die. There's a lot of roads like it. Look, there's fucking moss growing in the middle of it because it's safe. It's a very low traffic road. Let me get around this here gravel. I ain't doing that today. I ain't falling down. If I ain't gotta. If I don't just gotta lay her down, ain't gonna. Yeah, no, it's on up. It's on up. I'm goofy. I'm goofy. Ignore me. I'm a fucking goober, man. Is the shrine sign? Yep, this is the shrine road. I was like 2 or 3 right turns off, you know? Look at this damn thing. This thing's crazy. Got a little altar and everything in there. People get married here a bunch, I think. It is pretty cool, though. I was shown this shrine one time, and we came up here. There's a cop parked up here. So we all kind of sketched out and left. First and foremost, I got to take care of something. Totally forgot to do this. Since my 360 is dead, there is exactly 0 reason. That's the wrong door. I do that all the time. I mean to do it. There's exactly 0 reason why it should be up here like this. In the way. I think I'm gonna call it right here. Y'all have a good one. Like, comment, and subscribe. Like, comment, and subscribe. Like, comment, and subscribe.